What's it like living on a college campus? I think it's really special that immediately you're kind of in a building and a really close community with other students. So you get to meet a lot of new people. It gets you better at kind of coexisting with people. And you also can expect communal kitchens. I use that a lot to cook. You make a lot of friends using the communal microwave. And there will also be like events sometimes in the residential building. So CAs or community advisors will host events. You get to meet a lot of new people through that. Just being able to like see people regularly, especially if it's a walkable campus, you get to know people very well when everyone's living on campus like Denison.
Yeah, I was totally going to say that having a 4-year residential campus like Denison, we're all on this hill together. We make our fun together, and it does just kind of feel like you carved out your little community. So many different like living options as well, wherever like campus you end up going to, but like Denison at least has like doubles, triple suites, quads, 6-mans, apartments. And like personally for my senior apartment this year, I have felt like I'm playing adult a little bit, where it's like I come home and I got my living room and my kitchen set up,
which is what it's supposed to do.
Which is
teach
totally
you some of that independence.
To that fact of community too, like it's so easy to meet people. Like I made some of my best friends first year in the communal bathroom.
Exactly.
That's what's gonna happen. But also even just like being on campus with everyone and looking at what's posted event-wise. Student bands are performing at this place. This Greek organization is hosting this event.
Right.
This speaker is speaking at Swayze. Like things like that.
Seeing everyone. And just knowing what events are happening on campus. So when you're living on campus, it's pretty easy to navigate all of them. And you can go to like the communal gym. So like you'll see people around and the campus kind of has everything you would need right then in that moment. So it's helpful. Oh, wait, let's play this game.
Oh.
Okay. Well, we don't have to. Oh, what?